how to check the total storage capacity on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on device care. In here, tap on storage. Then at the top here, you'll be able to find your internal storage total capacity. Now, if you look at the top here, it shows 512 gigabyte. So this device here that I have has a total storage of 512 gigabyte. And that is how you can determine how much or the total maximum total storage capacity for this device. Now, if we go back out here, you can also view the total storage space that you have. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.